Here's how to make all public posts private on Facebook. Now, if you're on Facebook and you have a bunch of public posts that everybody can see, we can always go in there and select all of them and make them all private. I'll show you how to do it. So let's hop into Facebook and tap the menu button at the bottom right. Now let's tap on See Your Profile at the very top left. And you can see right next to Edit Profile are those three dots. Let's tap on those. Let's choose the activity log. This shows you all of your activity, including all of the public posts on here. So once this loads, we're going to tap on Manage Activity at the very top because we want to filter for your public posts. Let's tap on Your Posts. And then once this loads again, we will tap on Filter at the top left. Now, finally, we can tap on Audience right here. And we can switch it to only public. So these are only your public posts, not your private posts or the posts that you've shared essentially with only friends. Now, all you have to do is if you wanted to hide all these, you're going to scroll to the very bottom and make sure this keeps loading all of your posts. So go to the very bottom, keep scrolling until you have scrolled to select basically all of them. Now, at the very top left, let's tap on All, and this will select every single post. Now, what we're going to do is tap on those three dots at the bottom right. And then hit on Change Audience and Change Audience. And essentially, just like this, you'll be able to switch it from public to only friends if you're okay with friends being able to see those posts. Or if you wanted to completely hide them from everybody, you can always hit this Only Me button and it will change the audience to only you on all of those public posts. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.